And on the left side, you see a gorgeous
fence
tree. Half leaves because it's a bit dry this season. You know what my favorite tree in Africa is over here? The baobab.
Is it the big one?
Hmm? That's the big one.
The one that looks like from the Lion King?
Yeah, so they say the story about the baobab here is that God took the tree when he was angry and he turned it around like and put it back in there. Good morning guys, welcome to a new What I Eat in a Day video. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm still in Africa and we have been hopping around a lot. We have been doing a lot of like safaris and we are staying in a camp right now where we get to cook ourselves. So I thought it would be fun to do a What I Eat in a Day. Here we have a little place with like a kitchen and stuff, and here we can... Hey, a bird! Oh shit. No, my papaya. So the reason why there is a big lock on this door is because there are all these animals, and the guy just told me that there was like a honey bee here. It came through the hole. It literally just like made a hole in our tent, and it ate like all the bread, and here my oats are broken, and so yeah, we had to be more prepped and get something like this. So yeah, you need to be really careful with your food here. Anyway, it's early in the morning, it's like 7. I'm going to make a cup of tea. I'm going to do that here. So, and this is the tea I'm going to make, green tea. Start the day with some lemon. Start the day with some tea and lemon, make some
electrolyte water.
Electrolyte water for the stomach. So we're checking here. And some elephants. I haven't seen those yet, the whole trip.
I think we've made it sound like it's like really dangerous out here, we get sick, but I think it just depends on... I think it's more so the company that you're with, who you come with, and also making sure that you put your food in the pantry because the honey badger is gonna get into it.
Yeah.
These honey badgers are so cute.
The honey badgers. I want to look them up how they look like, because like they literally destroyed or like all our food. The oats are gone. The eggs are broken. All our bread is gone.
He was in that box. He got into the box and he wasn't going after the eggs. He was going
just
after
like
all the wheat
in there. Yeah.
I hope he likes pasta.
Well, we will, in an hour, we'll come back to you guys and see what kind of breakfast we're gonna make. Eggs, oats, coconut flour and banana. So we're going to try to make some banana pancakes and oats. So the mixture is ready. I'm going to make one banana pancake with this, and then I'm going to add some matcha and try to see if that works. Done.
Yum yum.
The matcha one is pretty good actually. Well, even though we got robbed,
honey badger.
Still got to make some pancakes. Okay guys, it is around 1:15 and we're starting to get hungry a little bit. We just like hang out and literally do nothing. So yesterday we did a lot of groceries, and I think for now I am just going to make a salad for everyone, and we bought some like hamburgers, so maybe we eat like hamburger with salad. Papa's gonna help me.
Yes!
He's gonna bake the hamburgers because I never make hamburgers. I can, but you're probably better.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna be in charge of the Greek salad. Yeah, I'm gonna wash the veggies first. Very important. So normally for the salad I have this thing, and then it like swirls around and all the water goes out. But obviously I don't have it. So what I'm going to use is this. There we go. Then, okay, so I have salad almost done, and we found some chickpeas, which I'm going to rinse off. We found some feta cheese, basically the only one they have here, with halloumi. And we found some green olives we can put in there. So, yeah, super basic, but very yummy. Here I have some roasted pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna add these. Yummy. And this is the dressing, olive oil with some lemon juice and salt.
So?
There we go. So, okay, I don't know how my waitress skills are though.
Just don't drop it.
Just don't drop it. So, okay, some toppings.
Toppings for the hamburgers.
We got a little bread with a beef burger and onions, some tomatoes and salad, and this is a Greek salad. Bon appetit! And this Mazou lemonade.
Do you like some margarita?
Yummy! So we just finished lunch, and because Max and I are big matcha addicts, we actually, I'm dropping them. We actually took some with us, and we got these from Chalet, and it says even matcha to go. Chalet's like super cute little coffee place in New York, and I got them there. But yeah, we're gonna try to make them here. Huh? Matcha man.
Oh, we need hot water.
Huh? Oh yeah, we need hot water.
Step 1, get hot water. Step 2, open it up.
Oh. Okay, I will cook some.
2
Put it in there.
and
Hot water.
okay. Round 1. It's not as good as the whisks, the bamboo whisks that we use.
Same but different.
Same. But it's actually better than the fork I used at David's Livingstone.
Cheers.
And if you guys ever find yourself arguing over matcha, it's a good sign. It means you love each other.
Yes.
Because like we have nothing else to talk about.
Can I explain why?
So we just argue about who's got better matcha.
Who's got better matcha? Yeah, probably you, because
Matcha's
you got
better with
more.
oat milk.
Yeah, it is better. The
Much
best
better
with
with
oat milk, and it's also much better with a lot of milk. But I don't want The thing is, babe, I don't want to drink like a full glass of normal milk. Because I just had a hamburger. And then to have like milk right after, I'm like, not good for digestion.
Okay.
Got her.
I feel like I'm in the desert here.
Well, I also feel like I'm in the desert. I've been drinking, by the way, also a lot of water all day, but I can't like keep up with it. How many glasses? Oh, we have some pets. So here's our little.
They've been here already?
No, I don't think so. Well, that's it. You know what it is time?
Nap time?
It is nap time. And we're going to add this. And there we go. I don't know if this curry is going to look green, but
Looks yellow, but it looks good.
it's yellowish. But it almost looks like a paella here.
Paella?
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 Paella, there you go.
Do I have some Spanish people here? Paella.
Paella Spanish? Portuguese?
Yeah, right?
Portuguese, I thought.
Oh, Spanish or Portuguese?
Yeah, it stays in focus.
Yeah.
And we're back in action after Sanne decided to let you guys taste it with your eyes.
And I was trying to make it a little spicy, but it didn't have spicy, so I just put like a little bit of peri chicken in there.
What did you say?
Peri? No, not chicken, but just peri.
No, peri seasoning.
Yeah.
Awesome, and the rice is ready.
Needs
And the rice is about ready. Huh?
to cook a little bit so we can eat in a couple minutes. Curry is done. I turn the fire off. There we go. It looks so big. Watch out, step.
How much would it like?
Almost looks like paella. So we have, okay, we're boiling some tea or some hot water here. We have, this is kind of like the Greek salad, tiny little difference. We got some curry. I don't know if I can call this green curry, but we call it curry with chicken.
Smells very nice.
Peas. Then we got some white rice. And we got some green beans. Bon appetit! Oh, dude, where's the wine? No wine?
White or red?
Red? Cheers!
Opa!
Cheers, cheers, cheers! Some wine. And here. Got some
Holidays.
food, but can you see it?
Holidays
Yeah,
in general.
Yummy!
You're good cooperation.